Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Naresh. So I would like to explain about the activize passivize. This is a video format 3. So activize passivize as a fourth model of the interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is a two types: yes or no type question, WH question. Yes or no type question means helping verbs. Helping verbs are like that: am, is, are, was, were, do, does, did, done, have, has, had. Modal auxiliaries can, could, shall, should, may, might, need, must. These are all 24 helping verbs are there. And WH questions. WH question means what, when, why, where, how, who, whom. These are all WH question. So it is a very important any competitive exams like TET or constable exams, TSPSC exams, or railway RRB exams. These very important and a lot of confused, but I will explain it is easy way method. So please observe my views. So now first I explain that one: yes or no type model, activize and passivize. Now example here that do children love animals. So before first our that one the rules of the passivize construction. So when a sentence is changed to the passivize, first one, object of activize becomes the subject of passivize, because subject changes into object, object changes into subject. This is the activize changes into passivize. Second, the suitable form of be means helping verbs, is added the helping verbs. Third, the verb of action voice is changed into past participle form or main verb 3. Verb 3. It is a very important. Any passive voice construction compulsory or must and use verb 3. And fourth rule, by is added and the agent comes at the end. This is a 4 rules of the passive voice construction. Now is that one yes or no type model. So do children love animals? So here the what is the subject, what is the object? Now observe it, the children is a subject, animals is a object, love is a main verb. So one main verb 1. So here that one. Now first, so when the yes or no type model, so you can use the step 1 and 2. Take that one, step 1 and 2. So same to mass formulas, step 1, step 2. Now that one, so object changes into subject, subject changes into object. So here the object, here the subject. So animals, animals. Now here the main verb 1 means simple present tense, this one. So that's why animals is a plural form. That's why here that one are. If is there that one animal only singular, you can use is. So plural are, singular is. That's why they taken that here. So now the animals they plural. That's why you taken the are. Now that one main verb 3. Main verb 3. Love passive voice construction, loved. Loved and by added. So children. So our subject is the changes into object, children. So this is a passive voice construction step 1. And now step 2. So are and subject this one. So here that one yes or no type after that one. Are animals, are animals, same to same here, loved by children. This no changes, but only here the changes. Step 2. Step 2. This is it. Step 1 this type, and step 2 this one. Are animals loved by children? This is a passive voice construction. Okay na, yes or no type. So it is a very easy formulas. Okay na. So first one, you take that one. First, same adjective sentence or statement type. Children love. Don't use this one. So children love animal. First step. Animals are loved by children. Passive voice. Step 2. And step 2, the are is the this one, and animals the changes here. So this one 1 2 3 4 5. So now 2 is 1 is the replace to 2. Okay na. So this is a very very important the yes or no type model. Any helping verbs you can this same model. Okay na. If you there the did, you can add that one. Did means did children love animals. After that animals were that you can children. So here that one. So when the do compulsory, you can use is or plural if you are the plural form are. Okay na. Or did, you can use that one singular was. After that are were. Okay na. If the have or has, you can use that one have or as same. Okay na. But here the can model verbs can or you can use that one can. The could, you can use that one could. Okay, this model. So don't be confused. So this is a yes or no type model. Next one, WH questions. Type 2. WH questions. WH question: what, when, where, why, who, how, whom. These are all WH questions. So where did you see him? So if you the changes into passive voice construction, step 3 1 2 3, you can take that one 1 2 3. So now first step 1. So you is a subject, C is a verb 2 because here the did. So him is a object. Now subject changes into object changes into subject. So he changes, here the passive voice he changes into him. So he was see after main verb 3 see, saw, seen. So you can the seen by you, also you. Next question mark. Now you can either take that one. He was seen by first model. Now the was, same yes or no type. Was he seen by you? Question mark. So now take that one here, that one. Next step 2, step 3. So where was he seen by you? Question mark. So step 3. This is a passive voice construction of the WH model. Okay na. So don't you confusion that one. Some example I will give in that one. So where was he seen by you? So this is a simple past tense. You can change this into the simple past tense. If they the do, where do you see him? You can also he is. Here the do there, so you can use the is. He is seen by you, and next one here that also is. So here the is. Okay na? Do. If there the does, you can use that one is same. Okay na? Is or does is there. సో అంటే మన ఈ డిడ్ ప్లేస్లో డూ కానీ డస్ కానీ ఉంటే మనం అప్పుడు ఏం తీసుకోవాలి, ఈజ్ కానీ, అక్కడ సింగులర్ అయితే ఈజ్, ప్లూరల్ అయితే ఆర్. దట్ ఈస్ ద సింపుల్ ప్రెజెంట్ టెన్స్ ఇండికేటెడ్ దట్ వన్ యామ్, ఈజ్, ఆర్. అండ్ పాస్ట్ టెన్స్ ఇండికేటెడ్ దట్ వాజ్, వర్. సో దిస్ ద వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ యూ. సో సమ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ టు యూ. Yeah, that one. When does the peon ring the bell? So now that is one passive voice construction. So does is the present tense. So that's why here the is. Okay na? Is the bell ring after that one wrong, verb 3 by the peon. Next one, why do you keep our promise? So here the our promise is the object, we is the subject. That's why the here that one. So subject here that one. Why is our promise kept by us? If is there the where do you keep our promise, you can add the where. So if it's the when do you keep our promise, you can after that one when. Okay na? ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే డబ్ల్యూహెచ్ఓ ఇస్తారో మీరు కూడా అదే యూజ్ చేయాలి ఇక్కడ. ఓకేనా? వేరే ఇస్తే ఇక్కడ వెన్ ఇచ్చింది కాబట్టి వెన్ యూజ్ చేసినాం. ఇక్కడ వై, ఇఫ్ దేర్ వై యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ద వై. హౌ ఈస్ ద హౌ డస్ ద పియన్ రింగ్ ద బెల్ అన్నప్పుడు మనం కూడా ఇక్కడ హౌ అయిపోయించాలి. ఓకేనా? సో మనము ఎలాంటి డబ్ల్యూహెచ్ ఇస్తే అదే మనం డబ్ల్యూహెచ్లో మనం ప్యాసివ్ వాయిస్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్లో యూజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా? దిస్ ఈజ్ ద సెకండ్ మోడల్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద అనదర్ ద డబ్ల్యూహెచ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ formulas. So here that one formula is the very important. So formulas, WH plus helping verb plus verb 3 plus by plus subject are means sorry. So WH plus helping verb plus subject plus verb 3 plus by plus object, after that question mark. This is a okay na? WH plus helping verb plus subject plus verb 3 plus by plus object plus question mark. This is a passive voice construction formulas. Now the WH another model, who. So please observe it here that one, who ate the mangoes, but here the some changes rule, this only who. Okay na? So now, so subject here the who, also singular also plural, at verb 2, the mangoes object. So you can do you know that one. So here that one, by whom, you can add it by whom. By whom means here that one singular or plural, anyone. But here the who ate the mangoes, the mangoes are the plural form, the mangoes. By whom, at here the it indicated simple past, that's why you can use was or were. If there the eat, after if there eat verb 1, we can use that one is or can use say singular is, plural are. Here the singular was and plural were. So that's why here the mangoes, by whom were. So mangoes, that's why plural form, by whom was were the mangoes. Subject, mangoes at. So verb 3 eaten, verb 3 eaten plus question mark. This is a passive voice construction. So this is a easy formulas. By whom plus helping verb plus object or means subject. Here the subject plus verb 3 plus question mark. This is a passive voice of the who model. Okay na? So this one. Next, so if the examination or the question given, so please observe that one. What are you doing there? What are you doing there? So this is a present continuous and WH question model. So first elimination is the very important. When the competitive exams options for A, B, C, D, you can first elimination. So this is a present and ing form. First observe the what is the given the examiner or questions. So please indicate first. You can observe, is it present tense or past tense or continuous. So this is a present continuous. So you can also don't be changes of the meaning or passive voice construction. So here that one. So in what is done by you there. So this is a is, okay, present tense indicated, but here the done. So here the doing. So that's why verb 4 is there, no. So this is not. And next, what are being done by there, by you there. So this is a what are you. So presented indicated. Next one, see what is being done by you there. So being done by there. So what was being done by you there. Was అనేది simple present, not it's a past tense. So A and D eliminated here, that one. So what is that remaining? R is a plural form. So what is being done by you there. So plural ku plural form. That's why which is the answer here, that one. So either that answer is the what are being done by you there. If there he or she singular, you can use the is. So that's why C option is not correct. So only B option is the right answer. So please you observe the which is the tenses. You can observe it. Okay na? Next I given the very important formulas. I given the very important formulas, active voice, passive voice, easy way learn formulas. So verb 1, if there is the verb 1, we can use the am, is, are plus verb 3 past participle. And verb 2, we can verb 2 means past tense, was or were. Verb 3 have or has. Verb 3 have, as, బీయింగ్ ప్లస్ వర్బ్ 3. అంటే ఇక్కడ మనము ఇది సింపుల్ ప్రెజెంట్ టెన్స్ ఉంటే ఇటు ప్యాసివ్ వాయిస్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్లో మనం ఈ రూపంలో ఈ ఫామ్లో మనం చేంజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా. హ్యాడ్ ప్లస్ V3 ఉంటే హ్యాడ్ బీన్ ప్లస్ V3. V4 ఇది మనకి నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్స్ అడుగుతున్నాడు ఇక్కడ. సో వర్బ్ 4 అంటే ఇంగ్ ఫామ్లు ఉంటే సో దానికి హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ ప్లస్ బీయింగ్ ప్లస్ వర్బ్ 3 అని మనం చూజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా. బీయింగ్ అనేది వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ వన్ షల్ ఆర్ విల్. వర్బ్ 1 ఉంటే మనకు షెల్ బి ఆర్ విల్ బి ప్లస్ వర్బ్ 3. ఓకేనా. నెక్స్ట్ షల్ ఆర్ విల్ ప్లస్ హ్యావ్ ప్లస్ V3 ఉంటే షెల్ హ్యావ్ ఆర్ విల్ హ్యావ్ బీన్ ప్లస్ V3 అని మనం చూజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ మోడల్ మోడల్ వర్బ్స్ ఇస్తే ప్లస్ మెయిన్ వర్బ్ మన ఏందో అందులో చూస్ చేసుకొని ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ కెన్ ప్లస్ వర్బ్ 1 చేస్తే కెన్ బి ప్లస్ వర్బ్ 3 అని చూజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా. ఇక్కడ మోడల్ వర్బ్స్ అంటే షల్, షుడ్, మే, మైట్, నీడ్, మస్ట్, విల్, వుడ్, షల్, షుడ్, దీస్ ఆర్ మోడల్ వర్బ్స్. ఇంపారేటివ్ సెంటెన్స్, ఆర్డర్ ఆర్ రిక్వెస్ట్. సో దీనికి మన ఫార్ములా ఈజీ, లెట్ ప్లస్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ బీ ప్లస్ వర్బ్ 3. నెక్స్ట్ ఎస్ ఆర్ నో టైప్. సో ఎస్ ఆర్ నో టైప్ ద వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ ప్లస్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ మెయిన్ వర్బ్ ప్లస్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ మనం ఇలా ఉంటే మనం దాన్ని చేంజెస్ హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ ప్లస్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ verb 3 plus by plus object plus question mark. Next WH words. WH words లో మనం ఈ విధంగా ఇస్తే WH words Busy, the types of kind of the present say I have to be against the end still be talking in the sun property in a ganadi in Manego. Either Nadi or the happy was and echo. Say we happy, but to do larity is the roofness of a net, shine, Richard Rome by name. Look, look, next with cat, pocket, bus and name. No, yeah. Look, look, with cat, about this bus and name. Nè và dù như thế này để trái đi đủ nên đây là pha đó ý cả sẽ ôn nổi như nệm nằm là cái để trái ba cái bát đó để dễ đó giật đất để nệm một khi đã sẽ phản gì đi nệm sẽ với sai pha rồi để nó sẽ với sai pha rồi là sao nó đúng cái gì thì nó cái này sẽ với sai Magzi, it's a hab, Manamul Beti, and I go. You know, look, say this back, and I'm snaky, and I go. Either no one else let's send it not get there. No else let's send it not get there. Either no one else let's up, it's up, local service app, and I'm no let's up. Either no let me there, Mr. Liscasnak service app, and I'm no save it cat, snake me there, miss. Ye, no one's need is neat, and I'm no not guess. Shop, look, say this, and I'm this bus this bus and the no sub this bus with numbers in any well way will miss either Solomon as a cyclist and I go. No see now him say you last to in Italy the very much as we read either the place of looks with the subject him in a girl must get it market in a gun in a girl must game of name of solid and sister the kingdoms and I go. You know, sleep not a could be here of taking some obvious either no exia last no say no that allowing no say no that in a garu for him almost for bit for him the inimus Nashas not service app it was a lot of net of me but this is those and echo some of which is not cool this is the shop self here the brow self the shop there is bar the yellow the use now in this bus are just bar and it goes this bar are just bus self self nya in touch movie up and laughing not and a shop on the cinemas they look na this inago pati dilo chen na shop with the get you so still but it manages not service app this is the shop self just bar self self look the shop eat the top self just but self only black self still what la di walk who care never proud still what national service type of the dos some of so still what